Okay guys, welcome back to another TMD unboxing. We have the other Star Destroyer that came in today. I'm so happy about this. Managed to fix a lot of things yesterday. For the guys that got the extra LED versions, I told you man, TMD never lets you down. So anyway, this is the other version, which I've got 6 of today. This is the 1 to 5000 version. This is the non-LED one. Different box art. Slightly smaller box. Maybe half the size of the other one actually. Same as you see my other review guys. Exactly the same as the other one. It's kind of weird why they would actually advertise the other kit on there. I don't get it. Why would you do that? Because you've already bought this kit. Why would you want another one that you can't buy anymore? Sorry guys. So this actually, I forgot to mention this actually guys. It says it's 32 centimeters or 320 millimeters, sorry. So I forgot to mention that on the other video, but let's have a dive in and see what the situation is with this guys. Here it is. As you probably saw the other video, zoom down, this totally comes in a different kind of packing style. It's got your top section, bottom section. I mean, if there's any left actually, I might build one of these. And I might even try and light it up, so you know. But you've got your two saucer sections there. I presume it's the same as the other one, which is kind of weird, right? Because the other box, these were taped down to some like thin cardboard. They didn't do it in this. Maybe that was the added cost, was the extra cardboard. So you got those two sections there. You have this sprue, your back thrusters. The detailing looks exactly the same. There's nothing different. You got some wonderful Bandai stickers. Obviously this kit is a lot cheaper, by the way. So but in terms of like the sprues are exactly the same, and you don't get the clear parts. You can see some detail in there. Get your stand. Side sections, yeah, actually be quite fun to paint and weather up. D2 sprue separate. I think that was separate in the last one, and this is the other sprue. Hey, what are these white parts? I can't remember that. Can you remember that, guys? Can you remember this white thing? That must be the stand. I can't remember that being in the other one. Anyway. As you've seen the other video, it's the same thing, but man, this is crazy insane detail in there. Yeah, there's no difference. I'm trying to look. There seems to be holes in here. So I was having a chat with a guy from America today about this, and we were having a long discussion about why modelers are going nuts about this. Look, it's even got the same instruction booklet as the other one. I wonder if they probably won't do it. I don't know. They won't sell the light unit separately, you know, which is a sad shame really, because that would have given people options. But saying that, like I said, I was having a chat with this guy from America. For people that have bought this kit, like, and if you're an experienced modeler, why did you go out and buy the LED version? I don't get it. Because if you think about it, if you've got the time and talent and effort to actually put optics in or your own lighting rig, then this is a cheaper option. Way cheaper. It's half the price. And for the 6,000 yen, you can go out and get some cheap LEDs and a battery pack and all that good stuff. And probably add more lights to it with a fine drill bit, you know. I don't get it. I just don't. But those white bits, sorry, that is like a support section for the bottom tray. It must to hold the lights in. If you can see that, it like hides the wiring and stuff. I forgot to mention that. There's so many things I forgot to mention. But yeah, this is the same kit, guys. You know, I just thought I'd just do this unboxing to see. I was a bit intrigued in to see what was going on here. Those stickers seem to be their starter plan stickers first. I don't get that. Weird. They are chrome. And actually, yeah, that top bit there comes off. Up and left, it just slots in. But that's about it, really. That's all you get in there. So obviously, you know, I've posted the first video up. It's been doing quite well in terms of like views. I know there's some Japanese guys now doing the unboxings and stuff and whatever. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guy. Like I said, I'm still getting some weird hater out there, just thumbs down on my stuff all the time. I don't know, some keyboard warrior, but I'm glad that the other people have enjoyed the reviews, and I have some updates that I'm going to mention in my next video, which is going to be on some Toy Story kits by Bandai. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. This is TMD out. Peace.